let's make a client's order. She ordered a shower cap and a matching bonnet set, so that's what I'm going to be doing right over here. It was at night and everything was super calm except for the machine noises, but anyways, that's a bonus. So yeah, let's work on this. And guys, I hope you have subscribed to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, put on your post notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So let's get right into working. So to begin, I'm going to be starting with my shower cap. As you can see, it's a big shower cap. It's going to be a big shower cap and it's going to be adjustable, and it's satin lined. That means it has a satin on the inside, then the waterproof material on the outside, and that's what really my clients are interested in, because it holds all their bulky hairstyles in place. If you have the big bulky Mali braids, or if you have longer braids that reaches at your back length, that will be super okay, because my shower caps are super big and they are also adjustable, which means any adult head size can fit into it, because you use the strap to adjust the circumference, if that's okay. And if you'd like a shower cap from me, I do make them in different colors of the satin material, so you can reach me out. My Instagram page will be on the screen and my WhatsApp number will be in the description box. Don't hesitate to WhatsApp me. Just make your orders through. I deliver countrywide, and if you do want also your order to be delivered internationally, maybe just hit me up and we will organize on how it will reach to you, because there aren't no borders. It's a global village, so everywhere is accessible. So don't limit yourself. I deliver countrywide and internationally. Yeah, so put through your orders. I enjoy packing your orders. I love serving you and working with you people, and it's the reviews that keeps me going. I love hearing positive feedback. Most of my customers have given me positive feedbacks, but I have also received negative criticism, which is okay in business, because that also tells you on where you need to improve in your business, because you can't be 100% accurate or right all the time. You can't get it right every time. You have to make improvements, and when a customer gives you negative reviews, you have to accept and just make adjustments, and also communicate with the clients where necessary and see on how to improve that which the client is talking about. You don't dismiss any negative criticism from a client, okay? Right here, I've started working on the bonnet. It's an emerald green one. It's emerald green and gold in color, a super perfect combination. So yeah, that's what I'm working on. The client really has great taste, as you can see, obviously. So yeah, that's what I'm working on right now. And my bonnet will also be reversible, as you can see, obviously, and also it will have adjustable straps that you can adjust it. I've also gotten reviews from my clients that the bonnets, though I used to make bonnets which were reversible and also fitting any adult head size, most of my clients also gave me reviews asking if I could make adjustable bonnets, because those bonnets that I used to make were not adjustable, though they weren't falling off, but they could leave some marks on a client's head, and that was really a pain point to the client. So I had to come up with how I can adjust everything and just make sure that my clients are satisfied and they come back for more. And that's why I decided to start making these adjustable bonnets with an adjustable strap to it, so that my client can easily adjust to whichever position it is that they feel comfortable with on their head. And that, I think, is a plus to me, and I've gotten a lot of reviews and a lot of customers coming back for the same, because they are super pretty, and I've also given them the chance to just make orders that I can customize for them. They are the ones picking out their colors, then I make them for them, and they're super satisfied with that service. So I think that's a plus in my business. What do you guys think? If you also want to be part of this experience and enjoy the beyote bonnets, kindly make your order through my Instagram page or through my WhatsApp number in the description box. Make an order and I will deliver to you right to where you are. For making these bonnets, the reversible one, there's a step that I must do, and it's an additional process that I must do, but I'm not complaining because at the end of it all my clients are satisfied, and that's what matters to me. So I will do whatever it takes to just make my clients satisfied. And as a person who wants to venture into business, any kind of business, I will say that customer satisfaction should be your number one priority. So if you make the products by yourself, or if you purchase them then resell, customer satisfaction should be your number one priority. Always ensure that your customers are served properly. If they have any grievances, make effort to solve them or attend to their grievances. Don't ever push any customer away. Just find a way to make sure that he or she is satisfied, and you will see massive sales, or you will see people coming back for your products. You will establish that good connection, and everything will just flow. Or if you want to venture into the fashion industry, owing to my experience, not so vast, but I have some experience, I will say that be passionate about what you do, and make sure that you get ideas every day. Just make sure that you prioritize each and everything in your business. Make an attempt to be better than you were yesterday. You don't want to be in the same place as you were like even a month ago. That's not right. Make it a necessity to make an improvement in your business, if that makes sense, right? Yes, and be proactive. You have to be super proactive, especially when it comes to marketing. If you choose your main marketing place to be online, make sure you be proactive. Show up every day. I know there are days when you can feel you don't want to show up online, but in those cases what helps me is batch creating. I do batch create my content, and the days that I feel I don't want to shoot any content, I will have a content bank, if that makes sense. So I will have a content bank because I do my content in batches. I do batch content creation at a go, so that really helps a lot. And also for fashion designers, I'll really not talk much into the clothing side because I don't make clothing, but I know one thing with these hair and fashion accessories is that people come to you based on the service that you offer, based on how you make them feel, the experience that they have when interacting with you. So you have to make sure that you have your A game in that area. That's my shower cap over there. I'm done with the shower cap. Look at that, super pretty, right? So I'm going to go ahead and finish off my bonnet, and this is the step that I meant when I said an additional work, but that's okay. That's totally fine with me as long as my customer is satisfied. I'll go the extra mile to just make sure my customer is satisfied. And I also enjoy what I'm doing. Seriously, I am a crafty person, so anything that involves me working with my hands, count me in. So I won't complain. And I've also started out making packaging boxes for my small business. I do make the packaging boxes by myself. I think I'll show you the process on how I make my packaging boxes, and maybe you can make that too for yourself. So it's an interesting one, though it's time consuming, but it's interesting because my business is me and I am my business. So it makes me happy to just know that everything that comes from me is made from my heart, and that's what my client receives. I make them with all the care, the love, and the attention that it needs, and my client finally gets something quality that I have made, and I have satisfied that it's perfect because I do the stitching, I do the fabric selection, I do the packaging, everything, quality control. that's up to me. So I make sure my clients get the perfect quality of product at the end of it. Also, if you'd like to get something from me, you know what to do. Make sure you check my Instagram out. Also, WhatsApp me. My contact is in the description box, and yeah, I will deliver whatever it is that you ask for. And also, finally, if you haven't subscribed, guys, please subscribe. Stay tuned to my channel. Make sure you put on the post notification bell, like the video if you haven't liked it, and let me know in the comment section what you think about this video, or generally what you think about just anything. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. And also, I would like to thank you for staying and watching the video to this point, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.